Life360 tips and tricks. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do in order to have a successful family app on Life360 is have an open conversation with your family using the use of Life360. So there's no hiding the fact that utilizing the app like Life360 will allow the entire family to see each other's whereabouts. However, that doesn't mean that you don't trust your children. Instead, you need to discuss how and why a location sharing app could be beneficial and is important. Then you want to discuss the positives of location sharing with your kids. So location sharing doesn't only benefit the parents, it's also a positive experience for kids. Like for instance, if a parent is running late to pick up their child from school and isn't answering their phone, then the kid can go log into the app and check their parent's location. Another way is to establish expectations before installing Life360. So laying the framework for the rules and expectations of using Life360 is essential for success. So there should be clear instructions on whether or not location sharing should remain on and what steps everyone should take if it's turned off at any point. Then you can also review the important safety features. So for most members, safety is the number one reason for introducing a family tracking app. And then, lastly, is allowing everyone an opportunity to voice their thoughts. Inevitably, there will be some pushbacks from the kids when they learn about the location sharing feature. However, listening to their concerns and discussing ways to lessen their hesitancy is essential. And then, it's also ultimately discussing the ways Life360 can enhance safety for the family should help them understand why you're introducing the app if you're having issues getting buy-in from everyone in the family.